नाज़रीन गिरामी, विजडम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ने जिस खूबसूरती के साथ स्पेशल एग्जीबिशन का इनेकाद किया है, उसके अलग अलग वीडियोस हम आपके सामने पेश कर रहे हैं। आप इसका 1, 2, 3 के हिसाब से नज़ारा करते जाएं और तलबा की हिम्मत अफजाई फरमाएं।
AI Smart City, City of the Future. A smart city uses artificial intelligence, sensors and automation to make city life better, cleaner and safer. AI Control Center, brain of the city. This is the main control room of the smart city. It collects data from all the parts of the city and makes smart decisions. Smart car charging system. This system charges electric cars automatically. It uses clean energy like solar power. It reduces pollution and saves fuel. It helps in creating a green and eco-friendly city. This is our school, Wisdom International School. Smart dustbin. This dustbin opens automatically using sensor. It can tell when it is full and sends the signal for cleaning. It helps in creating a green and eco-friendly city. Sir, can you place your hand? Smart street lights. These lights turn on automatically when it gets dark and turn off when it is bright. Some lights turn on only when a vehicle or a person passes. Smart ambulance. A smart ambulance communicates with the traffic signal to get green light. Smart hospital. AI helps doctors to detect diseases early and give fast treatment. Smart homes. Homes work automatically using sensor. Green energy system. Solar panels and wind turbines generate clean energy. It protects nature and reduces pollution. Final message of the model. Indeed, the Almighty has made man with the most advanced level of intelligence and potential. Man is indeed the masterpiece of the Almighty, who then went on to work on artificial intelligence. Thank you.